Good morning to all. I am Rupinder Kaur, Department of Hotel Management, RPIIT Campus Karnal. Today I will discuss on types of front office transactions which will be held at the reception area. Types of front office transactions include cash payment, charge purchase, account corrections, account allowance, account transfer and cash advance. Firstly, we will discuss on cash payment. Cash payment, it reduces the guest outstanding balance are posted as credit to the guest or non-guest account. Non-guest account, it means any travel agency, any other companies from where the guest will arrive at hotel. Number 2, front office personnel may use a cash voucher to a document cash received. It is also cash voucher is deal with the cash in hand. Only cash payment made at the front desk will create entries that appear on a front office account folio. When cash payment are made at other hotel location, they are accounted for at the point of sale. Personal check should be treated as a cash. They need to be carefully securitized. Check should be paid in local currency, and many hotels subscribe to a check guarantee service to ensure that personal check they receive are authentic. Charge purchase. Charge purchase is a represent a deferred payment transactions. If a charge purchase occurs somewhere other than the front desk, it must be communicated to the front desk system for proper folio posting, or in non-automated system, this is done through a charge voucher. It means if any guest purchase any souvenir from any hotel shopping malls, then the particular shop have to be informed to front office to a particular guest named ABC have purchased blah blah things from this malls, so that when he will depart from the hotel, then the front office department employees also deduct some charges from the guest. And in non-automated system, matlab it means where fully automatic systems is not applicable any hotels, in small properties where some non-automated systems are used, where a charge voucher should be represented or represented to a particular guest to receive the money against from this voucher. Guests may charge purchase to their guest room account when shopping in hotel, retail outlet, merchant, and these outlets must ask guests to present a room key and other form of identification. If any guest purchase something from any hotel mall, then the shopkeeper, then a mall owner should have to ask from the guest to present the room key if he is staying at a hotel, or any identification to stay in a particular hotel. In hotel with automated system, merchant can use the system to verify that guest has an authorized guest room account, or if the account has no post status, the system will not accept the guest charges. It means in another way, automated system, if a shopkeeper enter the guest name in the system, if the system have no response against this particular name, it means this name of guest not stay in a hotel. It is a fake identity. Hotel often are not liable for retail charges presented for posting after a guest has departed. Account correction. An account correction transaction resolve a posting error on a guest or non-guest account. Account correction means any posting omitted in a guest accounts or non-guest accounts by the front office staff. Account corrections are made on the same day as the error is discovered before the close of the business. If any mistake or omission have done in any accounts, any folio of the guest, so front office departments have fully responsible to rectify this problem, omissions, or the night auditor is also fully responsible to omitted this omission, rectify this omissions before the closing of the day. An account correction can either increase or decrease the account balance. It also uh, increase or decrease the amount of daily. A correction voucher is used to document an account correction transactions. Next, usually the staff member posting the correction signs the correction voucher and present into the front office manager or supervisor on duty of review. Mostly staff have a responsibility. If have any omission in any guest folio, then he have to maintain account correction voucher, and it is signed by any authorized person like manager, front office manager, or any supervisor from a particular department and submitted in the same day. Thank you. These are the some front office transactions which have to be maintained by the front office employee on daily basis. In the next slide also I will discuss some other front office transactions. Thank you. Please like and subscribe our channel RPIIT Academy.